Hey everybody, this is Anu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. We are stepping into 2021 today, so I wish you all a very happy and healthy year. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and click all notification option so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful pot, decorative pot with just cardboard and a paper. So I'm taking an A4 sheet, just roll it like this as I do and secure the end with any tape. So this is the base for making a pot. Instead of this, you can even use any empty glue container like this. Now take a cardboard, mark the length of the paper roll. I'm going to draw the base shape of the pot. So this is the basic shape. Draw as I do. Using thermocol cutter or knife, cut it out. The size and shape of the pot can be customized as per your wish. Do watch my video without skipping so that you will know all important steps. Make sure it is equal to the length of the paper roll. Now using this as a stencil, trace it on the cardboard and cut about 16 pieces. So the cardboard piece is 20 cm length and 5.5 cm width. So you will need 16 pieces totally. I'm going to place these pieces around the paper roll. For that, I'm going to use Fevibond. This glue is really working well. So to use this glue, you have to apply on both sides. Have to wait for 5 minutes and then you have to stick it. At first, I'm going to place 4 pieces at 4 sides of the paper roll. Like this. Stick as I do so that you will get equal spacing. Use glue gun or Fevibond to stick those cardboard pieces. You can get Fevibond in any craft shop. It costs about 30 rupees. After sticking 4 pieces at the 4 corners, in each gap fill 3 pieces. Let me explain you again. First you have to stick 4 pieces at 4 corners of the paper roll. Then you have to stick 3 pieces in each gap. Do comment on what you think about this video. Don't forget to support me, subscribe and share it with your friends and family who are interested in crafting or who would love to watch these kind of videos. In this way, repeat for the remaining pieces. This is how it will look once you're done. So we got the basic shape for the decorative vase. Now I'm going to cover it with a masking tape. You can get it in 3 different sizes in any craft shop. Small one is 20 rupees, medium size is 40 and the bigger one I'm using is 60 rupees. It is also available in online sites. Instead of this, you can use newspaper. If you are going to use newspaper, take a bowl, add 2 spoons of glue and 2 spoons of water, mix it well, cut paper into vertical strips like this, dip it in the glue mixture and then cover the cardboard structure in the same way as I do with masking tape. Since newspaper and glue will take about 1 day to dry completely, to complete it faster, I'm using masking tape. But both works in same way. Repeat till end. To cover the back side, you have to stick it like this. Check description box to know about the details of the materials I use. This is how it looks. To cover the top, stick in this way. Since we have used paper inside, Cover the top like this. Now you will need plaster of Paris. I'm going to apply this around the pot to make it stronger. Take some plaster of Paris and mix it with water. The consistency should be like this, like a thick paste consistency. You have to apply a thick layer of plaster paste so that it will not get any cracks. Give a thick layer of plaster paste around the pot. Let it dry completely. Then to make it smooth, I'm using sandpaper. You can get it in any hardware shop. Plaster of Paris will also be available in any hardware shop. 1 kg costs about 30 rupees. Instead of plaster of Paris, you can even use white cement. But POP is cheap, so I'm using it. Then for a smoother surface, I'm going to apply this paste around the pot. I have mixed 2 spoons of plaster of Paris, 2 spoons of glue and 2 spoons of water. That is, you have to take equal amount of POP, glue and water. Mix it well to this consistency and apply them around the pot. Apply a coat of this paste and allow them to dry completely. Once it dried, you can lightly sand it with sandpaper. I have covered the bottom with the same paste. And the pot is ready. So you can make any designs to decorate the pot. But I will show you how I decorated this pot. So first I'm going to draw concentric circles from the top, that is from the center to the edge, like this, with this spacing. Then I'm going to leave some larger space and then completing the concentric circle. Just make an outline with a pencil. Then in that space, I'm just making a basic design like this. So to decorate this pot, I'm going to use Zentangle kind of art. Not exactly Zentangle, but kind of that art. To paint this, I'm using 4 basic colors: red, golden, pearl white and black. I'm going to use combinations of these colors to decorate the pot. All colors I use are acrylic colors of Fevicryl company. These colors will really give good look, but coloring is your wish. You can use any combinations of color according to your wish. Then I'm giving a coil-like design to complete the top portion. Now I will show you how to fill the paints in the design I made. I'm going to use red, gold and black color. For the clear understanding, I'm showing every step as much as possible. Repeat the same for all designs. I will show you once again so that you will clearly understand what I did. Draw a circle with the help of a bangle and draw concentric circles. I'm repeating the same design I did in the top. I'm using a round thin brush. Number is 1 and 0.00. Both. Now to fill the center, I'm going to repeat same design we did above, but with small variation. Just drawing lines and filling it with different colors. Just to match the design in the top, I'm drawing coil shape, but you can skip this step and leave as such. Repeat the same for remaining spaces. Totally I have made 4 circles around the pot. And the decorative vase is ready to use. You can put any artificial flowers or simply use it as a home decor. Just recycle cardboard and a paper and it came out as a beautiful pot. Hope you love this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.